How to get from 0 to 10 pull-ups in a week. Can't do a pull-up yet? Don't worry too much. It doesn't mean you'll never be able to perform one. Through pull-ups, you can improve your ability to conquer upper body-dominated obstacles like the inverted wall, Tyrolean traverse, rope climb, Hercules hoist, and monkey bars. These kinds of exercises are like acquired skills. You need to start from scratch and build yourself up. In this video, we will be walking you through a workout routine that will get you from 0 to 10 pull-ups in a week. This workout routine includes exercises like dead hang, inverted row, and many more, which we will be discussing further next, so stay tuned. Do each exercise twice for the entire week. Number 1. Dead hang. The dead hang works and strengthens various muscle groups including your shoulders, upper back, core, forearms, and hand and wrist flexors. By working these muscle groups, you can boost your ability to perform a pull-up. Sets: 4 sets. Duration: 15 to 30 seconds. Number 2. Inverted row. Pull-ups require you to have a strong back, and the inverted row is one of the best exercises for this. It's a dynamic back-building exercise that offers lots of benefits for both beginners and experienced lifters. Sets: 4. Reps: 5 to 8. Number 3. Side plank. Side planks are great for strengthening your oblique abdominal muscles that don't get worked out during ab exercises. It's crucial to strengthen your abdominal muscles to prevent yourself from swinging when you hang from a bar. Sets: 4. Duration: 15 to 60 seconds. Number 4. Dumbbell hammer curl. Performing dumbbell hammer curls allows for stronger muscles, bigger biceps, and improved grip strength. All of these are essential when you want to pull heavier loads, such as yourself, aka when you perform pull-ups. To boost the tension on the peak of your biceps, rotate your palms toward you at the top of the rep. Sets: 4. Reps: 15. Number 5. Machine lat pull-down. A machine lat pull-down is a compound movement that works the lats while your biceps play an assisting role. It may be simple in theory, but it's crucial to perform it correctly to get the best possible results. It targets the same upper body muscles as the pull-up. Sets: 3. Reps: 12. Number 6. Seated row machine. The seated row is a pulling exercise that primarily works your back muscles or your lats to be specific. Additionally, it targets forearm muscles and upper arm muscles, since the biceps and triceps are dynamic stabilizers for this. This exercise will strengthen your upper body, which is important in doing pull-ups. Sets: 4. Reps: 12. Number 7. Back extension. Back extensions are a type of exercise that boosts your ability to coordinate movement through your lower back. It also improves back posture, which is essential to avoid back injury, especially when performing strenuous lifting exercises like pull-ups. When doing a back extension, work on the lower back and butt muscles for better posture and stabilization during pull-ups. Sets: 4. Reps: 10. What do you think about those exercises? Have you tried any of them? Comment your thoughts and answers below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.